Connecting people, goods, and resources with Asprova APS Production Scheduler. Asprova APS uses our highly efficient scheduling logic that distributes load evenly across resources, as well as time-based MRP and ability to specify the flow of production. It is a production scheduler that solves many problems of the manufacturing industry by being able to fulfill shorter delivery times, quicker answers to delivery times, scheduling production of many items in smaller quantities, adjusting production capacity, reducing inventory levels, and more. Here, I will introduce the key features of Asprova APS while doing a demo. Supply and demand balance. Here, the balance of supply and demand can be visualized, showing the demand, supply, and inventory of many items, hence making it easier to consider necessary adjustments. Through simulating with different safety stock levels and production capacities, you can react to changes in the market fast. Delivery planning. Various delivery methods with different loading capacities and delivery times can be taken into account. For example, usually delivery methods are chosen based on the best costs, but if a delivery crosses the deadline, the delivery method with the best lead times can be chosen instead. Dispatching rule. Operations in the factory can be lined up according to different priorities such as due dates, order priorities, or manufacturing conditions. These are called dispatching rules. From there, you can identify and remove factors that might cause inefficiencies in the workflow. Load leveling. The load on resources could be balanced across time as well as resources, henceforth allowing realistic production plans to be realized. Worker planning. The schedule can take into consideration the number of workers and their skill levels. For example, more workers can be assigned whenever the production gets busier. Manual adjustment. After a schedule is generated, different aspects can be fine-tuned manually, and the changes will be kept when the schedule is generated automatically again. Lot sizing. Production can be scheduled in lots based on orders, lot sizes, periods, etc. Conditions can be applied to specify when to generate lots. Pegging processes. The flow of production can be changed by modifying the peggings, which can be set according to orders, deadlines, and quantity adjustments or manually specified. Constraints for molds and jigs. Molds and jigs can be assigned to each machine during scheduling, so there won't be a case where there are machines but not enough molds or jigs. Batch processing. Operations with the same conditions can be processed as a batch. For example, processing all items that have a certain temperature or load all items onto the same truck. Use up all material. Production quantity can be specified automatically, so all the material is used up and leave no excess. Inventory constraints. The scheduling can take into account existing inventory levels as well as future replenishment forecasts. If there are changes to manufacturing plans or inventory levels, the replenishment forecast can be adjusted as well. Purchase plan. The purchases for each order, lot size, and period can be combined into a purchase plan. The conditions for how purchases are combined could also be specified. Combined scheduling. Planning for supply and demand, delivery, production, and purchases can all be done at the same time. Different rules for scheduling can be specified for individual processes. For example, bottlenecked work can first be decided with the other previous and next processes following after it. Schedule evaluation. Different scheduling scenarios can be evaluated. Through adjusting values in the graphs, charts, and tables, scenarios for different inventory levels or production capability can be simulated and evaluated. Asprova APS's vast array of functionality can be combined to solve many kinds of problems. Create schedules quickly and provide quicker answers for delivery dates. Generate schedules and provide delivery dates to your customers quickly. Visualization of the production plan and apply effective adjustments. Adjust shifts or choose to outsource by being able to see future workload. Reduce excess inventory and improve production efficiency. With a more accurate production plan, excesses can be reduced and resources utilized more efficiently. Share workflows and make improvements. Workflow information can be shared with the whole company to get suggestions for improvement. Many companies have chosen to use Asprova. Holds over 50% market share in Japan. Deployed in over 30 countries and supports over 10 languages. Over 3,000 functions to deal with various requirements. Developed with extensive experience from the manufacturing industry for over 20 years. Try Asprova and see the breakthrough in your company now.